Hi everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate how to install an SSL certificate on Lighttpd on CentOS or Linux. Start by generating a CSR or certificate signing request and a private key using the SSL Dragon CSR generator tool. Keep the private key code to yourself and share the CSR and SSL Dragon so they can issue a CRT or certificate. In the Common Name field, use your domain name, an example, yourdomain.com. And in the email address field, use the associated email address, an example, info@yourdomain.com, as demonstrated in the video. Copy the generated CSR code and private key into .csr and .key files and share them with SSL Dragon. SSL Dragon will then issue a CRT for you. Next, check your OS version using the command provided. Map your IP address to your domain name. Add your domain entry to resolve.conf. Check your host name using the command given. Install the EPEL repository and then install the Lighttpd package. Restart the service once the installation is complete. Place the .pem file and private key in the specified location. This is the standard location for placing files in a Lighttpd server. You can download the .pem files from the SSL Dragon dashboard or user account, and save the privkey.pem from the generated private key between 1 minute 20 seconds and 1 minute 40 seconds. Note: SSL Dragon can also issue .pem files. Make the necessary configuration changes as shown in the video. You can uncomment the SSL parameters or add a new parameter. In the video, a new parameter is added. Note: we configured SSL on a CentOS/RHEL server using the VI editor as it is the default editor in CentOS/RHEL. You can also use the Nano editor to make configuration changes. Check for syntax errors using the provided command. Restart the service to reflect the SSL changes on the server. As shown in the video, you can see HTTPD listing on 443. Now, open your browser and access the URL. You can view the certificate details by clicking on the padlock icon, as demonstrated in the video. Thank you for watching this video. You can save 10% on any SSL certificate order on SSL Dragon by using the promo code YouTube10 at checkout.